What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Free Caprice. So I am here with my Honda Shadow 750, and where I live it is cold. Well, we have winters and it gets really cold for about 3 to 4 months. It is now springtime or March, so it's about that time for me to start charging my battery. So come along for the ride. I'm gonna try and do my best. Okay, I took the seat off. I think the battery is here. I'm not quite sure what to do or how to lift it up. If this is the battery, I don't know. Okay, so I'm back. So I see that the positive is there, and I think that's the negative. But I just want to be sure. So I'll probably ask one of my motorcycle friends if this is right. I have this, and I want to use these. I don't think I'll get electrocuted, but I think I'm gonna wait to try to charge because I don't want to mess up something. I'm so close. I feel like all I have to do is put the little prongs on the little screwdriver part. I think that's what I have to do, and then plug it up. But I really just want to make sure before I actually go ahead and do it. But at least I got this far. Should be in there. Put this on the sides and screw these on the sides. I learned something new today. Hopefully tomorrow I will put this. Is it going in there? Hopefully tomorrow. First of all, I just want to say how proud of myself that I am for even looking up on how to take the seat off of my motorcycle. So I'm really happy about that. Yeah, I didn't charge no battery. I was like this close, but tomorrow, I think tomorrow I got it. I just want to make sure I don't electrocute myself. But other than that, I think I got it, and I'll try again tomorrow. So we'll see. So it's day 2, and it's actually 2 days later since I tried to charge my motorcycle battery. I ended up going to work. I sent the picture to my motorcycle friend who is at the same job as me, and he told me how I could charge it. So we're gonna give it a try and see what I'm made of. So there's 2 different ways that I can do it. So I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna lift this seat up first and then see how it goes. So the screws are already loose enough because I made sure they were loose for the next time I would come out here. So it'll be easier. So I take these out, these long screws out, and I take this off. Then I take the seat out like this. See? Ta-da! So I take the seat off. And this is what I'm working with. Okay, so what he said was, first option is that could possibly be easier. So you see this plug here. He said I can unhook that and plug it up to my battery tender, but I don't know how that could work, so I'm a little confused with that. Or you see the battery? This is the negative and this is the positive. I will probably just put these alligator clips on there and then hook the battery tender to this and then plug it up in the outlet right there. So let's give it a whirl and see what I'm made of. All right, guys, I did it this way because I wasn't sure about plugging it up down there. So I decided to use the alligator tongues. I put it on the positive and the negative, as you can see. So I want to show you how it's connected. So I did the alligator tongues and I connected the cord right here. You see the connector? And the cord, I have it going all the way to this battery here, and it's on red right now. So I'm sure it is, my battery is pretty shot, but I guess I can charge it for a while just to see. So my motorcycle friend said that the battery will shut off by itself, like the battery charger will shut off by itself, because it's like a smart battery, so I don't have to worry about checking on or anything, but it'll turn green once it is done. So I know my battery, my motorcycle battery is probably shot. I don't know if I'll need a new one. I'll probably leave it on overnight. The main thing is I know how to charge my motorcycle battery, period. Don't ever play with me. Don't ever play with my name. Don't ever play with me, okay? You can do it. All the women out there, you can do it. If you got a motorcycle, you can do it. It's funny because I have a car and I don't do this much with my car, but motorcycle, I love, and I like motorcycles more. So it's like, I want to learn how to do stuff. I cannot wait to ride this bike. A few more weeks. My battery might be dead. I might have to buy a new battery, but we'll see how much it charges overnight. So it is the morning and my battery is on green. That means, oh my God, my bike is gonna start. I'm excited to start it and see if it starts. And I have to go to work, so let me hurry up. So guys, I came back from work. I tried to start it this morning and it was on, the battery was on green and it didn't start. So now it's like 66 degrees right now. I put the battery charger back on the battery on my bike, and I'm gonna try to start it with the battery, with the charger on the battery. So let's see. Well, so it's only March. Usually bike season or whatever is the best starting in May. So I got a long time, but it's just good to charge the battery now. So, I mean, I don't know. I got a feeling that my bike will start soon the more I charge it. But it almost did. It almost started just now, but oh well. Feeling very accomplished. guys liked this video. Thank you all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.